If you're looking for industrial wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 industrial wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by American Chateau. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Upuptop. Number 3, by Studio Designs Home. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by ZEM-PXD. Number 5, by Generic. Find these industrial wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Kalalou. Number 7, by Dovewell. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by CLG Fly. Number 9. Discover more industrial wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Nosiva.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.